Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Bunny, and today I'm going to be doing a new tattoo. So I started it last night and I only did about 3 passes on the tattoo, but I wanted to do a bit more on it and make it more fuller, so I thought I'd make a video out of it. I just did a few passes in this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And if you want to see more, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Put your head on my shoulder.